Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to participate in this new project on Sue. Okay, this is called Bizsui. It's just like Sue Bison. Okay, the interface is just like Sue Bison interface and is built on Sue blockchain. This project, you are doing it in Sue Dex wallet. Okay, you are no longer doing it in your Telegram, but the one we are still doing in Telegram is still on. The Sue Bison we are doing in Telegram is still on. This is another project and it was just launched yesterday. Okay, so if you're watching this video right now, you are very early. Okay, you are very early. Follow me step by step on how to register, on how to fund your wallet. Those of you that funded your wallets yesterday when I dropped the link in my WhatsApp group and the money did not reflect, just don't worry. I'm going to show you what you're going to do for your money to be reflected. Okay, so this is another way of giving airdrop. Some projects will come up and ask you to stake on their platform and they will be giving you their native token. Sue Bison is giving us their native token and this Bizsui is giving us their native token as well. And everything is almost the same thing with the Sue Bison and this Bizsui. Okay, so guys, the ROI is the same thing, maximum of 4% every day. Okay, so everything is the same thing. So we just started it yesterday. I dropped the link in my WhatsApp group. If you're watching this video right now and you're not in my WhatsApp group, kindly click on the second link below this video to join my WhatsApp group so you'll be receiving updates. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is for you to download Sue Wallet from Play Store. Okay, so this is my Play Store now. You just click on the search bar to type Sue Wallet. Okay, so this is my Sue Wallet because I've downloaded mine already. I'm just going to click on open. Okay, so once you download your own, you click on open. Okay, if you are a new user on Sue Dex wallet, okay, if you're a new user, you're going to see something like this. You're going to see something like this. They're going to ask you to create a new passphrase account. Okay, so once you click on it, it's going to show you your key phrase. Okay, copy out your key phrase and go and save it. Write it down offline and also save it online where you are saving your important documents. Okay, remember what they said in crypto: not your key phrase, not your money. If you lost your key phrase, you have lost your money. You cannot recover it. Okay, so once you are done, you click on next and your account is ready. But if you're an old user of Sue Dex wallets, like you have created a wallet before in your Sue wallet, you have assets in it. If you have assets in it, I'm not advising you to use that the same wallet which you have assets in to do this Bizsui. Okay, I'll advise you to create a new wallet. Okay, so if you have assets in your wallet, that means your dashboard is going to be like my own. So what you need to do is for you to click on this place that I just circled for you to create a new wallet. Okay, so you're going to click on manage. Click on manage. Then below here you're going to see add account. Okay, add account. So you're going to see create new passphrase account. Okay, once you click on it, copy your key phrase, save it, click on next, then your account is ready. Your new account is ready. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do when you are done creating your account is to copy the first link below this video to register on Bizsui. Okay, so once you copy the link, I'm also going to paste the link in my WhatsApp group. I'm going to paste the link below this video in the description box of this video and also in the comment section. So check the comment section. I'm going to pin the link there. Check the description box and check my WhatsApp group. Okay, so once you copy the link, you come to this app. Okay, this place, these apps, you click on it. So on this search bar, you're going to paste the link that you copied. Okay, you paste the link there. paste the link on this search bar, okay? So I'm going to click on this because I've pasted it before. So you open it. So once you open it, your wallet address might not be here, okay? So you're going to allow it to refresh before you see your wallet address here, okay? So once you see your wallet address here, then you click on join us, okay? So once you click on join us, you see that they will say successfully joined, okay? So the next thing they're going to do is for you to click on sign in, okay? So once you click on join us, after that you click on sign in, then it's going to successfully log you in. Like this is my dashboard now, okay? This money that you are seeing here is what I deposited yesterday. I did not see it because they were still building the app. Like I said, it just came out yesterday. They just launched it yesterday, okay? So the next thing that I'm going to do is for you to fund your wallet. How do you fund your wallet? So you're going to go back. You click on this place, this arrow here, to go back, to go out from this interface. You click on home, okay? You click on home. I'm taking this video step by step for you to understand it. Okay, the wallet that you're going to fund is this wallet address that you're seeing here, okay? This is the wallet address that you're going to fund, okay? So you click on it, you copy the wallet address. So once you copy the wallet address, you are going to any exchange of your choice where you have SU. You can use Bybit, you can use Binance. If you have SU in your SU wallet, you can use it, okay? You can use Bitgate. Anywhere you have SU, you can actually send your SU to this wallet, okay? So I'm going to my wallet where I have SU to send SU to this particular wallet, okay? Okay, so this is a wallet where I have SU. Remember, I have copied my wallet address, so I'll just click on send, okay? I'll click on send. I'll type the number of SU that I want, maybe 1. Then click on review, okay? Click on review. Click on send now. Put in your password. So I have sent 1 SU to that wallet address that I copied, okay? So I'm going to go back to my other wallet, okay? Okay guys, so as you can see, I have received the SU that I just sent. I have received it, okay? I now have 1.5 SU here. Before I was having 0.5 SU. So what am I going to do? I'm going to go back to these apps, okay? I'm going to go back to these apps. Then copy the link and paste on this search bar, okay? The first link below this video. Then now, because I've already signed up before, I'm going to click on sign in, okay? I'm going to click on sign in. After watching this video, you will not say that you don't understand it. Unless if you don't know how to buy SU, okay? If you know how to buy SU, just follow this video step by step and you get it done. If you cannot buy SU, I can actually help you and get SU from my vendor, okay? So once you come here, the next thing you are going to do is for you to click on this deposit, okay? So you click on this deposit. So you're going to type the number of SU that you want to send, okay? Remember, I have 1.5 SU in my wallet. So I'll be typing 1.5 SU, but I'm not sending, okay? I'll top this my wallet later. So you type the number of SU that you want to send. Remember, if you type 1.1 SU, when you send it, they're going to charge you. When you send it, they're going to take 10% of your SU to buy you their native token. So I advise you send 1.5, minimum of 1.5 SU, so that you'll be having 1 SU in your dashboard after you must have deposited. Do you understand? If you have 0.9 SU in your dashboard after you must have deposited, you are not going to earn anything. Make sure that you have a minimum of 1 SU in your wallet. Okay, so after you must have typed the number of SU you want to deposit, you click on next. Okay, so once you click on next, the next thing I'm going to do is for you to click on pay now. Okay, so you click on pay now, then you sign. Then after refreshing, it's going to add up to your balance. It's going to tell you successful. Okay, it's going to tell you successful. You're going to see it here. You're going to see it. As you can see, this app, this site is very fast, loading very fast. Everything is fast. Okay, so you're going to see it here after you must have deposited. Okay, you're going to see it here. Okay, so after you must have deposited, or for those that deposited yesterday and they didn't see their money, what do you need to do? You just click on this deposit. Let's see. You click on this deposit. You can click on next. You click on next. So they said, if the transaction is completed, look at what they said here. If the transaction is completed, but the deposit is not showing on your dashboard, please click here. Click here and submit your transaction hash to complete the deposit. Okay, this is for those that deposited but they did not see their money in their dashboard. Okay, so how do you get your transaction hash? Follow me step by step. So you need to go back to your dashboard. You need to go back to your dashboard. You click on this activity. Okay, you click on this activity. So this is my transaction history now. This is my activities. I deposited this one and it didn't go. I deposited another one and it didn't go. Okay, so now what do I need to do? I will open this transaction, the one that is wrote transaction. Okay, since this one did not go and this one did not go, I'll open this first transaction. After I'm done with this one, I'll come back and open the second transaction so that I will receive all my money. Though I have already received it, but I'm just teaching you the step-by-step guide on how you're going to receive yours. So you click on the transaction on the first one. As you can see, I deposited 1.5 SU. Okay, I deposited 1.5 SU. So the next thing I'm going to do is for me to scroll up. You scroll up. Below here, you're going to see view on Explorer. Okay, you're going to see view on Explorer. So you click on it. You click on view on Explorer. It's going to take you to your browser, to another browser. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is for you to copy your transaction hash. Click on this place to copy your transaction hash. Okay, you click there to copy your transaction hash. Click here, you copy. Make sure that it's copied. Okay, so once you copy it, you go back to the other dashboard. Remember, this is a site, it brings you to this website, so you're going to go back here, then you log in. So you click on this arrow to go back. You click on the apps. You click on SU. You click on the Bizsui. Okay, you log in. log in or sign in, anyone. So you come to this deposit. You come to this deposit. These steps now is if you deposited but you didn't see your money. So remember, is 1.5 that I deposited. So I'm going to type 1.5. Don't forget. So you click on next. So the next thing I'm going to do is for you to click here on this place that is highlighted. This place that I said click here. So you click on it. So on the first column, we are going to type the amount of SU that you deposited. Remember, is 1.5 SU that I deposited. So this one, they said enter hash or transaction ID. That transaction ID that you copied from Explorer, you're going to paste it in the second column, okay? You paste it there. Then here you type the amount of SU that you deposited, okay? But this one, I've done it before. I've already redeemed mine. So you click on submit, okay? So because I've already redeemed mine, this one is not going to go. So but once you do it like this, just they are going to tell you successfully. But once you submit it, they're going to tell you that your membership is successfully activated. Finish. Then you just come back to home. Then you're going to see your money in your dashboard. Your money is going to reflect in your dashboard. Then you start making money, okay? You start earning money. This my stake. I staked it yesterday, but I did not receive it. So I have to use this method that I just showed you guys now. And the money showed up here, okay? So that is all for now about this Bizsui. If you're just watching this video now, get started because this Bizsui just launched. It's not up to 24 hours, so you're just early. You are very, very early. Get started and you'll be glad you did. Some of you that followed me to register on Bizsui when I announced it, now you people are enjoying it. You're making money every day. I'm seeing testimony in my WhatsApp, okay? Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And if this video is helpful, please kindly like my video, comment and share. If you are not in my WhatsApp group, click on the second link below this video and join my WhatsApp group so that you'll be receiving updates. See you in my next video.